Hello and welcome to this video on the history of Industry 4.0. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the origins and evolution of Industry 4.0, explore the differences between each industrial revolution that has led to the development of Industry 4.0. The Industrial Revolution started in the late 18th century in Great Britain with the introduction of the steam engine. This revolutionized the textile industry and led to the creation of new machines and processes, which was known as Industry 1.0. For example, the steam engine was used to power the spinning machines and power looms, replacing the manual labor of workers. In the late 19th century, electricity became widespread and the assembly line was introduced, which marked the start of Industry 2.0. The assembly line allowed for mass production, making products more affordable and accessible to the general population. An example of this is Henry Ford's Model T assembly line, which drastically reduced the time and cost of producing cars. The Third Industrial Revolution, or Industry 3.0, began in the late 20th century with the introduction of computers and automation. This revolutionized the manufacturing industry, making it possible to automate many of the production processes. An example of this is the use of computer-controlled machines in the production of goods, such as in the automotive and aerospace industries. The Fourth Industrial Revolution, Industry 4.0, is characterized by the integration of advanced technologies like the Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, and robotics into manufacturing processes. The goal is to create a smart manufacturing infrastructure that can increase productivity, efficiency, and flexibility in the industry. An example of this is the use of robots and data analytics in the production of electronic components, such as in Siemens Amberg factory in Germany. According to a report by McKinsey & Company, 2018, the adoption of Industry 4.0 technologies could lead to an increase in global GDP by $3.7 trillion by 2025. The report also highlights the potential benefits of Industry 4.0, including increased efficiency, reduced costs, and improved customer experience. In conclusion, Industry 4.0 is a revolutionary concept that has the potential to transform the manufacturing industry. From the steam engine of Industry 1.0 to the advanced technologies of Industry 4.0, each industrial revolution has brought about significant changes to the way we produce goods. By understanding the differences between each industrial revolution, staying up to date with the latest advancements, you can position yourselves for success in this exciting field. Thank you for watching this video on the history of Industry 4.0, and we hope it has been informative and helpful.